Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cook marshmallows properly. Now this video is taking way too long to make. It has taken about 10 hours, so yes. I would like if you would like the video and maybe subscribe, because this is a very hard video to make, but yes, yes, you already know it. We're going to be cooking marshmallows the real way, so let's just get into the video now. Beautiful! There is a very long way there. You must go off onto the thing that I am watching. Look at me now. Walking up this mountain was dying. We are approaching the marshmallow cooking place. I wonder what it could be. We'll just have to find out. So close. What could this possibly be? Yes, you didn't guess it. A volcano. Probably smoke. No, cook up marshmallows. Did not get it. Look at that. Let's put the marshmallows. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I have to use the marshmallow furnace since the volcano was too much, so I cannot go down there, so I had to use the marshmallow furnace. And I've been out there for about 10 hours. So yes, that just has to do it like that. So I'm sorry if you thought I clickbaited you, but yes, that was at least something fun. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and give me money. Goodbye.